thing.
No. It said, it's just a
Right there's the slip on the
It
table.
said, it says Canon.
It's a bundle of a camera.
Wow.
You're not gonna like it.
Wow, Grammy.
Grammy used too
That's
much
the first.
tape.
That's the first wow.
There's no tape on it.
Oh, look what's in
There,
there.
this red light's gonna be flashing.
Who's
Come on.
that?
They,
What
You
is
can
that, a
hold some of
doggy?
that, honey. Let's-
Is that a doggy shirt?
I go next.
Moving on.
Yep.
I said,
Give me a cup, come on.
Right there.
Who's that from?
It's a red.
Canon, I don't think that's yours. Someone needs to do all the gifts over here.
I don't know who this is from. It's from Grandma and Grandpa.
That big box is not his, is it?
It is now.
What? Big box.
No, that's for Mason.
Hand him something else.
Hey.
Don't worry about Mace. Go ahead and open that one up then, Mace.
No, I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do this one last since it's the biggest of mine.
Of course not, Bart.
You go roll for you.
I think it's a Hot Wheel case.
Wow.
Hot Wheel case. Okay,
Mason, can you show me it?
one moment.
Megan,
Let me get
here's
the
yours,
tape.
honey.
Hold on, I have to give Mommy the
Mommy,
present.
you used too much tape for Canon.
Then open it now. Come on.
Get it, Brooklyn.
Don't open it up.
What are these, Phil?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What are these things?
Me next.
Okay, wait.
Watch, it shows it in the little one.
Woo.
Oh, wow. What is that?
Megan, what is it?
What
A
is it?
Oh,
zoom.
wait, this is Canon.
Gotta back it
You
up.
want Mommy to help you?
Hold on, ready? 1, 2.
Let me see.
Who are those two?
A zoom go in there?
Sound.
A zoom.
Give me a zoom.
Grandma
zoom.
and Grandpa.
Canon, here.
There, Grammy got one for you.
Wow, you should have put this in.
Give me those little car things.
Look at all your
Of course,
zooms
you open them up.
inside there. Is that cool?
Look what I
Who's that, Frosty?
Oh, wow.
Right here.
You gotta
What
fix
is that?
those?
got. Pixel. That's what I
Alright, let me
wanted.
see.
Cartoon.
Oh, wow. What's that?
Let me see
A
your
zoom.
face.
A zoom.
A zoom.
Let me see your face.
Cannon. Open it. Put that right
Mommy
there.
help you?
Megan, here. Where's Megan?
Cannon.
He will, Megan, he will.
That's
Wow.
my turn.
I did it.
This is Scotty.
You want to do it right now? Why don't you open your next present?
Oh, is it a showstopper?
Give me a zoom thing, please. Here, get that one, Mason. Go ahead, zoom. Wow.
This is for you, Cannon.
Give me that little red handle
For
package.
you.